Buddy, you are missing your hood. Oh, yes, sir! How we doing, boys? We're headed downtown. Gonna grab some pictures of the bikes. A little update on Kyrie's bike. The rectifier did not solve his issue, so now he's waiting on a stator to come in. Hopefully that takes care of it. If it doesn't, there's more than likely a short somewhere. I'm gonna guess it's the stator. You know, it's just, it makes the most sense, you know. Doesn't seem like his battery is charging, so. When we replaced the rectifier, we hooked it up to the multimeter and the battery did not look like it was charging. Then, you know, I had mentioned that.
Justin said that guy's gonna be home at 2:30 to look at that bike.
Oh shit, okay.
Wanna go up there?
Yeah, we'll change of plans. One of our homies that's looking at his first bike, and he wants Joel and I to come with him. So we're gonna go and check out this bike with the homie. He passed his MSF in December, and it's fucking February. He still doesn't have a bike, so he's got more restraint than I do, man. It's actually funny he's looking at a CBR 650 because my boy Steven with the CBR 1K SP2 actually just graduated from a CBR 650. That was the bike that he came from. So those 650s are fucking quick, man. I still got an inline 4. There's a lot of bike there to play with. So I'm pretty hyped to go and look at it with him. He said he's got him down to like 4,800. I think he had it listed for 6. It's a 2019. It's got 13,000 miles on it, I think he said. Enough talking. Let's get into this video. I'll pick you boys up in a bit. Alright boys, we're out of here. We got some pretty sick shots. I'll throw up a couple of them now. The boy Justin pulled up. We're going to check out the bike that he wants to look at now, the CBR 650. He unfortunately will not be able to buy it today. The dude doesn't have the title yet, so. But we're gonna go check it out, make sure everything looks all right, sounds all right. He's not super familiar with working on bikes, so. Well, I fucking hate those things. Stupid expensive for an electric car that makes 300 horsepower. That is crazy, bro. They're just super culturized, and I'm a big BMW guy too. Look, it's me, boys. I love that, bro. Being able to see yourself in the fucking window, it's fun. It's good fun. Oh, buddy, you are missing your hood. You're missing your Hoodington, buddy. What happened? This is where we put up the memorial for my boy Christian, where he wrecked. Right there. Looks like somebody else left some flowers too. It's fucking sad, man. This road is usually a fucking ripper, and now it's like every time we're on it, it's just fucking sad. It's crazy. What the fuck?
What'd you say?
I don't know. No idea. That thing's kind of cool. His fitment's all whack, but her. It's a her. Fucking California plates, bro. This guy's a little far from home. Oh, I didn't.
Red one.
Oh yeah, right there.
Yeah, from where I was sitting, there was a truck in front of me. I couldn't see what happened. I was like, fuck.
I mean, I knew she was gonna change lanes, bro. I was speeding, so you know I can only get so mad. But it's just like, dude, if she would have stayed in the right lane, it would have been fine. I would have just went around her. But you don't know what they're gonna do, so. Oh yes, sir. There's a cop. Well, A90 action.
And I drive it every single day, so I'm sorry.
Yeah.
You don't want to
Fucking mint.
Yeah, it's definitely a sick bike. I wish I had that shit.
Fucking 13K, bro. It is brand new, man.
ASV levers and everything.
So everything looked all right. Looks like a pretty sick bike, actually. I'm pretty hyped for him. It's a sick bike, and those 650s, those CBR 650s with the extra 2 cylinders, man. I mean, it sounds fucking mint, dude. It's got a Austin Racing exhaust on it. It's been dropped. You can see on the slip-on and on the clutch cover on the right side of the bike. There's some scrapes, but he's getting it for a steal, so. Oh my God, boys. It sounds so fucking good. Ah, fuck. Whoa, fast stop. Oh, look at the Shelby. It's a fake Mustang, boys. It's got a snake on it. Why would he do that? Why would he put a snake on his Mustang? Ooh. Yes, sir. Alright, that's it. I appreciate you boys for hanging out. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you boys in the next one. Peace!